Facebook, not they pay like before again. Imagine me on average, I dey make like $10,000 every month. But last month my earning was around $1,000. Imagine you where they make $10,000 before on average. You got to make $1,000. See the drop. So because of that thing, many people they don't want to create content again. You see many content creators on Facebook. They don't run from Facebook. They come TikTok live. Because they live money day now. For person like me, I get around $9,000 on TikTok on my balance when I never withdraw. Let me say I'm out. I tell you this one. Let me say you go they try to hack my TikTok account. Not try more. I get like $9,000 on my TikTok account when I never withdraw. Because I never really see the need. I don't know what I not really get what I want the money do. I get all that thing they do. So when my manager even convinced me to make I withdraw the money, make I use that. I tell her I say I say I want withdraw that money. Make I know okay. Either I use that to buy land or you have to do something. That's what my life just be. So I just live on there. It accumulate for there. What they try to tell you, no matter how Facebook, YouTube or any other platform not they pay like before again, you know if you compare it to person who say they do government work. And monetization is just one aspect of social media, one aspect of content creation. Your video, so you they upload every month, you get paid for the video. $1,000 is around 1.5 million naira, if I'm not mistaken. Show me one government worker where they earn around that money. That one only Facebook alone. No. You never talk of your YouTube channel. You never talk of your TikTok live. You never talk of other things. Before you talk of advertisement, before you talk of brand deals. For a person like me, I have so many streams of income on social media because of what I do. I'm a financial expert, a financial coach. People they book session with me. That one another source of income on their own. I'm also a nightlife influencer. Then they book me for events. My present fee now is around 5 million naira to book me for events. So as you see me, they go many events. Not if you say I they go there, they go mumu. Now if you say the mumu, they pack money. So anyway, you just see me. Nothing less than that price now to go that place. So you see, say this social media is really life transforming. So for you, will never know what you want to do with your life. At a time in my life, I was like that. I don't really know what I want to do. I was confused. But I look my life when I live. Normal street boy. I see where I want to go. For me to that place when I want to go, for me to really reach there, I need to do something different from what I know they do already. I get paying work. I use my hand blocker. I say no, I don't want to live that life again. I have to try something new. That's something new when I do. Now wait take me for where I did today. You understand now? So you understand? So no matter how it be, start telling your stories. That simple habit of say you carry camera like this, now they tell your story. Go fit change your life because somebody somewhere get similar experiences. As you talk that thing now, before you look now, you know they build audience and community. And once you know they get the attention of the people on you not get as a be. Money must follow. Money to go where attention they. You understand? Money they go where attention they. Once you have the attention of the people on social media, you not get as a be. Money must follow the attention come. Now what are they enjoy now? Are they enjoy the fruit of my labor? Fruit of my labor when it go ripe, work not the bash, when not they go on strike. Fruit of my labor don't ripe. Why it can't be now? Mona can follow me eat. You understand all these things now? We never talk of we never talk of ambassadorship deal. I get deal with Perry Peace. I get deal with Quick Feast. I get deal with Quick Pockets. These are big companies. I get deal with Bedfuse. Multi-millionaire deals. So this thing can easily change your life no matter how it is by just creating video, sharing your real life experiences. Bro, why they go do fraud in 2025? They tell person mama something. If person mama not credit you, not feel sure. But that one I'm a life. Must everybody create content? Must everybody do social media? Must everybody do TikTok? Everybody must not do it. But now you they complain in Nigeria get the way to be. What if you start from this particular one? Along the line, you do other things. Along the line, you do other things. The platform is still, even if as a businessman, see person like Bill Lord now. His platform, they use that they market a business, a companies, a app, now a platform today. You don't even need influencer again. Imagine how much you go pay influencer. Now you don't even need, they use a platform now to market a business. Use me as an example. I use my platform now, they market my hotel business and every other thing that they do. So apart from the money aspect of it, even if you have physical businesses, you can still use the platform to market your business to new audience. My hotel, where a day, people they come from every part of the country, they go lodge for that place, they go visit that place. That place is a tourist attraction. Now what they talk say, I go, if the commissioner of tourism in Delta State, they need to include my hotel. Then my hotel, so the commissioner of tourism and culture in Delta State need to include my hotel. Join the list of tourist attraction in Delta State, because anybody will come the state, the first place when you want visit, now that my hotel won't go. Where that Geh Geh hotel day, people they come from Benin, Lagos, Port Harcourt, just to come see where the place dey. Social media made all these things possible. Without social media, if you know who I be before, social media will give you voice. It will make you live a stable living. You feel you have to build financial independence, because from there you make money. From there you can divert it to other things. You want car, it will give you. You want house, it will give you. You want travel around the world, it will give you. You dey inside village, but you get access to the full world. Not mean the people they laugh, say, hey, you wait dey inside village. But they go UK, they come back, they enter countries, they come back. But you see there your place, they cry. Don't worry, you go cry. You understand these things now? This thing is capable of changing your life, especially with happiness, like people like the 2-day head nuts. We can see they help me, they push the whole thing. I say I dey London, guess they cry, they twerk, they come do video. For London, no. Not even Nigeria, bro. I'm not even there with una for Nigeria. I did another place entirely. People they see me, they get joy. Geh Geh is talking yo. Geh Geh is yo. I be that person. Be say people see me, they call that people. Mona come. Social media made all these things possible. I started by telling my stories. Start telling your story. Tell your story. Tell your story. Somebody there somewhere, we get similar experiences, but maybe you never feel comfortable to talk about those stories. You start be that person. We will give those people hope. Before you look now, you go to build audience of like-minded people. With that start, I was giving pure financial content. It reached some level. Look at this one that they do. People are really appreciating it, but I need to go beyond this thing, because my intention of coming to social media make I just tell you, number one, I just want to be star. And I love the attention. You understand? I love the money. I love the fame. Now, what really carry me on social media? Let's be honest. But I know, say for me to get all these things they be byproducts of giving value. So I know, say if I come to social media, I don't want chase clout. No. If I chase clout, it not go last. Before you look, maybe because they attack people name, before you look all those things, now it not go last. So I need to give value. Which value I won't give up, people never really give before. As a young person, I say, okay, let me educate people financially. Let's change the mindset of the people. Go and use your money. What my mistakes I don't make before, I don't want anybody to make this mistake again. I use myself as an example for people to learn from me. And as time goes on, the thing they click. Show me anybody. I'm the first financial expert to become a star in Nigeria. I mean, use financial advice, they blow for Nigeria. I'm the first person in the history of Nigeria. Go and ask questions. We use financial advice, they blow. Rema use music, blow. Ruga use music, blow. Zinoliski use music, blow. Today I not use blogging, they blow. Very Dark Man use activism, they blow. Geh Geh use financial advice, they blow. I became a star by giving financial advice. Go and ask questions. That's my story. And everywhere when I go, the youngest financial expert ever lived in the history of Nigeria. Social media made all these things possible. Go and tell your story. Nobody can tell your story better than you. Your story is an inspiration to a lot of people. It's a motivation. Today now when people say, Geh Geh, they give me hope. My life na book. People they read them, they study them, they dissect them. They get people, they use my life, they get hope. Say, if Geh Geh fit do all these things, bro, I build house, buy car, build museum, build hotels. They establish other businesses. In the space of how long? This thing go change your life, bro. This thing I be star. I get some fever, so you see they show for my voice, Abi. I don't really know whether it watches you to this level, but what I just want to let you know, bro. One of the ways you fit change your life now, what I do, I use social media to my greatest advantage. That time they go they download, they go create Facebook, they buy Facebook when you want they bomb. Make person my mouth send you money. Use that time to do something different. Use social media positively, and in the space of 1 year, 2 years, come back and tell me thank you. If you watch you to this level, write my name in capital letter. One love, Geh Geh.
And remember, like and subscribe. Smash that button now.